Hello guys, welcome to another Binance saving tutorial where I'll be showing you how to calculate your Binance savings profits, based on the APY, which is annual yield percentage. Your profits, your daily profits, your 30 days profits, your profits per year, 360 of course. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button and stay glued to this channel as we navigate through this journey of making money as beginners in the crypto industry. Okay, so looking at this dashboard, you realize that we have 20% APY, we have 10% APY, which is BUSD, and USDT 10%, and it goes on like that. Okay, Binance pay your profits based on the APY. APY is simply annual percentage yield. So before you can calculate your daily profits, you have to do it in relation to your APY. Okay. So how can you earn the highest profits with any amount of money? The higher the percentage, the higher your profits. Okay. So you subscribing to the AXS, which is giving you 20% APY tier rate, you probably make a higher profit than subscribing to the BUSD. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the calculation using the AXS. So let's go ahead and calculate the profits on this cake. I'm having 3 cake and the APY given is 24.99, 24.99%. So when you given the percentage, the APY, the first thing you have to do is to divide it by 100. After dividing it by 100, you multiply it by the amount of money you have in, the amount of coin you have in your wallet. And I'm using 3K as an example. So when I divide the percentage given, which is 24.99 over 100, we have in 0.2499. Okay, after that you multiply the results by the amount of coin you have in your wallet. Okay, and I'm having 3 cake. So when I multiply it, I'm having 0.7497, which gives you the yearly interest. Okay, so if you want to calculate the daily interest, you have to divide the yearly interest by 365, which is the number of days in a year. Okay, and after doing that, 0.7497 divided by 365, the result we have is 0.00205397 cake per day. So each and every day, 24 hours, that's the amount of profit I'm generating on that cake. Okay, you might be wondering, why is the total interest being 0.0143 going? Okay, it's because I have done a lock savings for 7 days. So when you multiply the daily interest times 7, you'll be having the exact amount, which is 0.01437778. So this is how you calculate your interest, your Binance savings interest, be it a lock saving, staking, flexible saving.